Hello everyone. Just out getting a nature walk, enjoying the scenery. Wind is blowing, the birds are chirping, the sun is out so beautiful and nice. Oh, it's just a nice day today. I hope everyone's having an amazing day today. I hope everybody's getting out, enjoying something they like to do. Whether it's walking, jogging, exercising on a treadmill, whatever you like to do. Cooking, cleaning, whatever it is you like to do. Just have fun doing it, be safe doing it, and enjoy. Have a good rest of your day. This is Mama C. You can't see me, but I see you. Look, everybody. Just look at the scenery. Oh my goodness. The air is just amazing. Just look. Beautiful. I could just walk and do this all day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.